again for tuning in to another video. What else? I wanted to talk about refinancing a new motorcycle. I went over this quite a bit on my other video on what I paid for it, but I guess I wanted to do another quick, shorter version of that. And it's some kind of separate video. I just wanted to talk about refinancing a brand new motorcycle. And you actually can go to a credit union if you have one. Like with me, my job offers special rates. I was able to get 4.75% loan for, what is it, 5 years or 6 years, 72 months. I was able to save quite a bit. So let's go over my first loan with Harley-Davidson on this motorcycle. Out the door, 21,000 bucks. I put a down payment and traded in a motorcycle for it, which turned out to which lowered my payments down to about $300 for 16,000 of it being loaned to me. So 16,000 of loan for 72 months. I was looking at a little bit over $300 a month. All right, so that's $310 for 16,000 loan with, I believe, 8%. Now, I knew I had a 4.75%, so I had to take that deal just so I could do the trade-in and get the bike, which I'm riding now. I've had it now for three months or so. So went back, I believe, that same week, because by the time I finished with the dealership, the credit union was already closed. So then I went back to the credit union. They gave me that loan, and all I had to pay for in fees were $15 DMV transfer fee, and for some reason I had to pay Harley-Davidson Eagle Financial Services $100. So after that, I was able to lower my payment down to $258. So I was able to cut out about $40 a month for 72 months, which is a good chunk of change. So that's my refinancing story, how I went about it. I knew what I had and the deal that was offered to me, so I just went over there and took it right after I bought I purchased the bike. Super easy. Of course, everybody wants your money, so you know, anybody's willing to do anything just to get your business, and that's pretty much what happened with the credit union. They wanted my business, so they took the loan. 16,000 is not, you know, it's not a lot. $16,000 loan, and at 4.75%, it was a good one. I saved quite a bit of money, and that's pretty much it. So if you're wondering about refinancing a motorcycle, if you have the same amount of months loan, the same loan term, and you're looking at saving 3-4%, you got to do it. You know, that's money saved. That's money in your pocket, not in somebody else's pocket. So pretty easy refinancing. It works. Just make sure you read everything. You make sure you know what you're getting into, because that's pretty much it. Once you sign on the line, then you know somebody else owns the bike until you finish paying it off. Okay, so thank you for tuning in. If you guys have any comments or questions about refinancing a bike, I know this is a pretty short video. This is just savings of, you know, I believe, if I remember right from going over my first video, it was a savings of what was it, 3,000, 4,000 bucks. That's if, you know, it took me 72 months to pay off the bike. If I pay the bike off before then, I'll be, you know, saving less money, of course. It's only obvious. But that's pretty much it If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you guys want to subscribe and look at my other content, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Later.